God. In the midst of our trial, instead of asking why God, we should ask what is God up to? What is God trying to produce in me? Young people's spiritual strength and courage are needed for our spiritual warfare and suffering. The Christian armor is made to be worn, and there is no putting off the armor till we have done our warfare and finished our course. The battle is not against human enemies, nor against our own corrupt nature only. We have to do with the enemy who has thousands of ways of deceiving unstable souls. We must resolve by God's grace not to yield to Satan, resist him, and he will flee. If we give